Move to sums number 39. Usha and Asha are partners in a firm, sharing profit in the ratio 3:2. Their balance sheet as at 31st March of 2014 was as follows. Again, they have given you a balance sheet. Lata is admitted into partnership, giving her 1/5 share in profit. So new partner is Lata. Lata is to bring 30,000 as her share of goodwill in cash subject to the following terms. तो टोटल वो तुम्हारा 30,000 लेके आएगा एज अ शेयर ऑफ गुडविल और subject to the following term, goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 50,000. I think यहाँ थोड़ा सा प्रिंटिंग मिस्टेक है क्वेश्चन में. शेयर ऑफ गुडविल नहीं होगा, शेयर ऑफ गुडविल share of goodwill and capital. Share of goodwill and capital. Get it rectified. I am reading out the sentence once more for you all. Sums number 39. Please do rectify there. Lata is to bring in 30,000 as her share of goodwill and capital in cash subject to the following term. That means total she bought 30,000, which includes premium for goodwill as well as capital. Now goodwill of the firm is 50,000. Goodwill here they have given you. Stock to be reduced by 10%. Provision for doubtful debt to be reduced by 2,400. Patents are valueless and there are a claim against the firm for damages amounted to rupees 2,000. The claim has now been accepted. So this is an outstanding claim. So we need to pay this. So this becomes a liability from firm's point of view. Okay, there is a claim against the firm. That means this becomes our liability. We need to prepare revaluation, partners capital and balance sheet of the new firm. So let's prepare our revaluation account. Next, after that, partners capital account, and thereafter lastly balance sheet. As at this person admitted on, they haven't specified any date, so we will prepare this balance sheet as on 31st March of 2014. Liability, amount and assets amount. These are our particulars. Our partners are Usha, Asha and Lata. Again particulars, Usha, Asha and Lata. So, and revaluation account. So this is particulars, amount and particulars, amount. So in the books of Usha, Asha and Lata. Now let us start with our balance sheet. Creditors, they haven't given you any adjustment. So just record creditors 27,000. Next is your bills payable. Again, no adjustment with this 18,000. Now come to your general reserve. General reserves means this is an accumulated reserves which was saved by Usha and Asha. So before admission of new partner, old partner supposed to share these general reserve. Keep in mind, अगर सम्स में जनरल रिजर्व रहे तो पार्टनर लोग आपस में शेयर कर लेता है. तो बाय general reserves, amount is your 5,000, always between old partner and as per their old ratio, that is 3,000 and 2,000. General reserves to be shared by old partner as per their old ratio. Next is your capital. So by balance BD, capital is your 40,000 and 35,000. Capital is 40,000 and 35. That's all for our liability side. Come to your assets. At first, good building, which is your 20,400, and in building there is no adjustment. Only adjustment we are having regarding stock, debtor, and patents. So building, outer column, bank balance. Bank always to be kept in inner column. Since this is admission, new partner will bring some capital, premium. So there must be some adjustment with your bank balance. Next, come to your debtors. I left out 3 lines after bank because we need to add at least 2 items. At least 2 items. That is capital and premium for goodwill. Okay. So debtors 48,000. I skip out 2 lines after that. Next, stock is not having any adjustment, so directly record in amount column. And lastly, patents, which is your 7,400 in inner column. This is how I have recorded all the
स्टॉक भी
items.
रिड्यूस होगा 10% से.
हाँ,
स्टॉक भी 10% से रिड्यूस होगा.
स्टॉक दिया था. ओके, इफ देयर इज एडजस्टमेंट तो हम लोग उसको अंदर में ही रखते हैं. हाँ, दिया था. तो स्टॉक 30,000. Okay. Now come to your additional information. Lata is admitted into partnership, giving her 1/5 share in the profit. Lata is to bring 30,000 as a share of goodwill and capital in cash, subject to the following term. That means total she bought 30,000, which includes capital as well as premium for goodwill. So now how much premium he supposed to bring? For that, come to adjustment number 1. They are saying you goodwill of the firm is valued at rupees 50,000. So if we are knowing goodwill of the firm, so we can calculate her share of goodwill. So working note 1, calculation for Lata's share of goodwill. That is a premium for goodwill. You can mention premium for goodwill or share of goodwill. Both are same thing. So premium for goodwill, which is goodwill into his share. So your firm's goodwill is 50,000 and new partner comes for 1/5 share. So that means 10,000 is his premium for goodwill. Now you say if that person bought total 30,000 and out of that premium is your 10,000, so obviously 20,000 will be his capital. So here we supposed to add with our bank account ki Lata's capital, which is your 20,000, and add premium for goodwill, which is your 10,000. So total 54,000. Now your sums is saying you, acha, at first let me have double entry of this. Lata's capital. So put that in Lata's capital by bank account capital, put in Lata's column, which is your 20,000, and premium for goodwill. So buy premium for goodwill here 10,000, and now this to be shared as per their sacrificing ratio. But as I said you, sacrificing ratio means old ratio minus new ratio. But they haven't given any information related to new ratio or how you supposed to calculate the new ratio. If there is any change in their new ratio, no information in your sum. So you will say these to be shared as per sacrificing ratio. In these sums, sacrificing ratio equal to old ratio, which is 3:2. As there is no information for new profit sharing ratio. Okay, so this 10,000 to be shared as per 3:2, that is 6,000 and 4,000. So 6,000 and 4,000. Now come to your point number 2. Stock to be reduced by 10%. So stock by 10%. That is your 3,000. So this will become 27,000. Next, they are saying you PVDD to be reduced by 2,400. So now PVDD to be reduced by 2,400. See at first how much was your PVDD? It was 4,800, and they are focusing on PVDD to be reduced by 2,400. That means this to be reduced by 2,400. So current PVDD is remaining 2,400. Okay, so this will become 45,600. And last information they are saying you, acha, second last, patents are valueless. So patents become valueless means less written off 7,400. So these become valueless. So nil. Patents become valueless. Okay. Next, they are saying you point number 4. There was a claim against the firm for damage amounted to rupees 2,000. The claim has now been accepted. Claim has been accepted means we need to pay rupees 2,000 against some damage. So this is outstanding liability for damage. Amount is your 2,000. Okay, that's all. This is only our adjustments. So at first, come to Lata's capital. We have already recorded premium, already recorded debtors. Now current debtor is your 24. Sorry, PBDD is 2,400. So say this 2 PBDD, always new minus old. So 2,400 is our new PBDD. and old was 4800. So there is a negative balance. So change the site as buy PBDT, which is your 2400. There is another way for this comparison. After your PBDD, your debtors balance is 45,600. देखो और एक वे से इसको समझना है. देखो ऐसे भी तुम सोच सकते हो डेटर्स का वैल्यू आज 45,600 हो गया और क्वेश्चन में दिया था 43,200. तो डेटर्स वैल्यू इंक्रीज्ड बाय 2,400. तो एसेट्स बढ़ जाना मतलब रिवैल्यूएशन के क्रेडिट में लिखते हैं, तो वही हम लोग पुट कर दिए. नेक्स्ट, पेटेंट्स आर वैल्यूलेस. तो पूरा पेटेंट्स ही लेस हो गया, तो रिवैल्यूएशन के डेबिट में आया. टू पेटेंट 7,400. And lastly, stock to be depreciated by 3,000. So to stock amount is your 3,000. So total becomes 10,400. Here also 10,400 in credit side. Now say the balance. Loss transferred to a loss is 8,000. Now share this between Usha and Asha as per their old profit sharing ratio, which is 3/5 and 2/5. Distribute this to revaluation account. Here your loss will transfer. This total will become 49,000. This will become 41,000 and this is 20,000. Calculate loss, distribution of loss funds.
Sir, 4,800 or 3,200.
48 and 32. So transfer this 48 and 32. Now get your balance carried down. So you will get 44,200 and this you will get 37,800 and this is 20,000. Transfer this as capital of Usha, Asha and Lata. This is 20, this is 37,800 and this is 44,200. So say this total